Alright, what's good, everybody? I'm making another video that I don't feel like making. This is starting to become a bit of a recurring theme, it feels like. But it actually only has been a couple days. I lost 4 trades today, and I didn't win any trades. And I'm on the biggest losing streak that I've ever been on, ever since I very first started trading. I haven't traded this badly since probably the day that I ever first started trading on demo. And I know that you guys found that video where I blew my account to be super relatable. I honestly don't think that you guys will find this video very relatable, because I'd be very surprised if anyone else has actually gone on a losing streak this bad. If you exclude this trade here on Monday that I won, and I know it says 2 trades here and here, but I only took one on both these days. If you exclude this, I've lost 10 trades in a row. And if you include this, I've lost 10 trades and I've won 1 trade since Thursday last week, and it's Wednesday. So, but I'm not gonna quit. I'm not gonna quit. And I honestly, I completely understand you guys seeing this and seeing the last couple videos I've made. I completely understand you guys thinking that I should quit trading. Honestly, fair enough, dude. I've had the worst performance I've ever had, and it's just I document my trading, so that's why you guys are all seeing it. And I don't know if this is something that anyone else has ever gone through, but it's just really, really bad luck, man. I trade with a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So if you were to, I know you guys love calling me a gambler. So let's just talk gambling for a second. If you were to flip a coin 10 times in a row and it landed on tails every single time, except once, that would be my trading performance for the last 10 trades. Which, try it. I bet you couldn't even do that if you tried. Since the beginning of the year, up until Thursday last week, I traded profitably. I had green months every single month, basically. And so now I'm going through a super rough patch, and I genuinely cannot really even believe it. Like, I actually can't believe I lost this many trades. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. And it's completely valid for you guys to think that I'm a shit trader. And I understand why you guys are trying to give me advice about trading. But I'm just doing me. And I'm just trading the way that I've always been trading. And yeah, there's things that I need to improve. I get that. No trader really should be going through a losing streak this bad, but it's something that I always expected. I knew that every strategy is probably going to end up having 10 losses in a row at some point, but I didn't really think that that point was going to be now, and it is, and this is what's actually happening. So it sucks, and it really sucks that I am having to share this with you guys. All of you guys who comment on my videos telling me to quit trading are gonna love this one, but I'm not quitting, bro. I'm not quitting trading. I am going to bounce back from it. I haven't lost my life savings on this shit. Okay, this account cost me $50. So if I end up blowing the account, then whatever. I don't really care. I just find it hard that it's just really about the time that I've spent on this. And obviously I don't spend all day on the charts, but I spent a lot of time trying to become a good trader, and it at the moment it's very hard to have confidence, and it's very hard to keep going. And obviously I am going to keep going, and I am going to keep on trading. And in the grand scheme of things, like, if this was on a live account, it wouldn't even be that bad. But on a prop firm where you've got these rules and these drawdown rules, it's pretty bad. Like, And the thing is, as well, is I de-risked today. I risked $250 per trade, and I just lost 4 in a row. And it's like, sometimes it genuinely feels like there's just... It's like someone's watching me through the other side of the screen, waiting for me to buy so that they can sell. And... shit, like... I don't know. It's just been a rough week of my life, to be honest. And I know that you shouldn't let the P&L get in your head. Okay, I get that. And to be honest, bro, I'm still kicking about my life as normal. But when it comes to my trading, and when it comes to having to tell you guys about my trading, it's pretty shit. And my trading performance has been pretty shit. And I get that. And there's definitely... there's probably things that I need to fix. There's probably things I need to do better. I know there's things I need to do better. But... oh, man. I can't wait until I have some winning days so that I can make myself look a little bit better than this. I'm really just putting myself out there to be absolutely bashed, bro. I'm like a freaking... what are they called? Pinata. I'm like a pinata and you guys have all got bats. And fair enough, bro. Fair enough. I don't really know what else to say, man, but I'm probably going to take the rest of the week off, just get my head into a bit of a better place. And, you know, in those couple days, I'll just think about what I'm going to do with this account, because I've only got about $500 drawdown remaining on it because of this trade on the first day. So my max drawdown's basically cooked. I'm not even going to show you guys the trades that I took because I don't really think it's relevant. I don't need you guys to tell me, oh, the reason you lost this trade was because you didn't wait for this, this, and this. Okay, there's no reason that I lost the trade. I just lost the trade. The market's going to do whatever it wants. And I've been on the wrong side of that a lot. And fuck, I don't know, man. I don't know. But I'm going to take a couple days off and just sort of get my shit back together, you know? And I appreciate all of you guys for watching. And by the way, I don't mean that I don't appreciate the support, okay? I really appreciate all of you guys coming here and watching me along my journey. I appreciate it. But I don't need a million people to tell me all different strategies to trade, because what good is that really going to do for me? I just need to work on my own strategy and work on fixing some of these big problems that I have. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you all. I really do. And I'll catch you in a couple of days.